In the GateHawk Dealer portal, you have the ability to set up and manage the details of a property that is currently using a GateHawk Video Intercom. In this video, we'll walk you through how to edit the existing details of a property that you've already submitted into your profile. The first thing you're going to want to do after logging into your GateHawk Dealer portal is locate the Properties page by using the Properties tab here in the navigation bar. Once you've navigated to this page, you should see a list of all of the property organizations that your dealer organization currently manages. To edit a current property organization, all you'll need to do is locate the property that you wish to edit, click the More Options icon, locate the Edit Property Details dropdown, and then make any relevant changes to the property contact form or the property organization details section, and then click Save. If you no longer wish to make any changes, simply press Cancel. After pressing Submit or Cancel, you'll be directed back to the property's current listing, where you can review any of the information that you just updated.